Meaning of dog's body.
Dog's body.
Dog's body.
Dog's body.
Dog's body. Dog's body is a noun that refers to a person who is given menial tasks or jobs that nobody else wants to do. It can also refer to someone who is responsible for doing a lot of different tasks but does not have much authority or control over them. This term often carries a negative connotation, as it suggests that the person is being treated unfairly or taken advantage of. In short, a dog's body is someone who is given unimportant or unpleasant work to do without any recognition or status.